Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of IF Premiere. Today I'm very happy that I can invite PM Finny to come and join us. Let's welcome Finny.
Hi, hello, I'm PM Finny.
So Finny, what kind of product do you want to introduce today?
With the technology advance, the amount of data required for transmission is also increased unlimitedly. To increase the speed of transmission, encryption, and survivability, they use S18C series network appliance. PUZZLE-IN004 is your best choice.
Okay, I know IA has deployed many x86 platform network appliances to satisfy different users. So what advantage does PUZZLE-IN004 have?
It is a server-level network system. In addition to optimize data processing performance, it also has Intel Select solution and advanced certification. I will introduce the detail about PUZZLE-IN004 and its feature later.
You emphasize transmission optimization a lot, and how can PUZZLE-IN004 easily improve the efficiency of transmission?
It supports Intel Xeon D2100 series CPU, so it can achieve higher efficiency and low power consumption in any case of VCP such as VPN and encryption. Compared with the last generation, its data throughput performance increased by 1.8 times, and it uses Intel QAT technology which allows the throughput performance of running web server to increase by 2.9 times. Additionally, the CPU can also improve the communication and data exchange between the subnets in the network. In the Layer 3, it is 29% faster than the last generation.
So PUZZLE-IN004 uses various new technologies to improve speed and efficiency. But normally, the more efficiency improves, the more power and cost increase, isn't it?
Not always. The Xeon D series is the low power SoC and it is optimized for reducing power consumption. It is a server-class SoC integrated with enhanced network security and accelerator into downsized chip. Intel might bring predictor performance and low latency.
Okay, fast transmission speed is usually the main concern, but for overall network operation, does it have any unique feature for users?
Of course, let me introduce the following aspects. The first, Intel AVS512. It is a new command system that can accelerate the processing of complex intensive workloads and improve the performance and the efficiency of packet processing. Intel Data Direct I/O is designed for various types of Internet and edge analysis applications to improve packet processing performance and efficiency. The third, Intel QAT technology. The most important point is it supports up to 1000 Gbps, and the hardware acceleration based on chipset improve increments and discrements workloads, thereby improve efficiency with providing enhanced transmission, production, and storage for the entire server.
The PUZZLE-IN004 support up to 100 Gbps encryption and decryption function. It seems that it could only be used in data processing center for processing and delivering a large amount of data, right?
The purpose of our product development is to satisfy the demand of all customers from entry level to the high end. As you can see, the Intel Xeon D2100 series is equipped with a QAT and has different number of CPU cores. The PUZZLE-IN004 supports different levels of processor for different applications from SME to data processing center. Moreover, PUZZLE-IN004 has passed Intel Select solution for UCPE and advanced certification.
Okay, we all know the combination of hardware and software is very important for network appliance. Can you briefly talk about the importance of UCPE in networking environment?
Okay, sure. UCPE combines of the soft hardware and the open software, which has the following features: flexible, robust, and complete.
And for enterprise and client, what are the benefits have in this certification?
For IT staff, their complex workload and many from introduction solution. In Intel solution, both hardware and software have been certified to ensure the support,ability of UCPE design. In addition, the feature of quick and easy development allow them to contact effective per development testing. They have shortened service delivery time.
And for enterprise and client, you just mentioned that both Intel Select Solution and Advanced Certification aim at providing UCPE services. Is there any difference?
Sure, for the Intel Select solution, CentOS is used as an operating system. PUZZLE-IN004 is equipped with Intel AMD processor and Intel Select solution for UCPE to provide the platform required by the market, software, and the ecosystem. And each processor and provide the performance, acceleration function, safety function, and the built-in Ethernet connection required by the cost-effective UCPE system. The advanced certification is a complete NFVI solution that provides enable connector. Enable connector as a support OpenStack controller or OpenStack complete.
After hearing so many advantages, I want to know more about PUZZLE-IN004.
No problem. Let me introduce the PUZZLE-IN004 to everyone. It's equipped with the Intel Xeon D2100 series CPU and supports 1GB RJ45 ports and both 10GB SFP ports. Up to 8 DIMMs can be installed, supporting up to 256 GB RDIMM or up to 512 GB LRDIMM. For additionally expansion, it has M.2 key expansion slot, PCIe mini slot, and one PCIe by 8 expansion slot, and an optional IEM parcel network cards can be added. In the system block diagram, you can see divided from the CPU. There are 4 SFP plus ports, 8 GB LAN ports from the Intel i211. USB 3.2 ports, RJ45 console ports. Then the fan speed can be detected through easy, making it systems with a smart fan.
Okay, now we know the basic hardware certification, but if I have multiple applications or want to increase the transmission speed, and how can I do?
PUZZLE-IN004 has a PCIe slot supporting 1 PCIe by 8 or 2 PCIe by 4. One IEM network module can be installed into the slot or operation network configuration. There are many available options from 1GB to 25GB. We have developed network modules in different specs for different platforms like Intel, Malas, Quantia, Broadcom. In addition, various options such as bypass or multi-bypass ports are available for you to choose. Moreover, there are one PCIe by 8 slots expansion. You can insert edit a GPOE class for PoE power supplies, or install the popular Mustang AI accelerator class to meet any kind of expansion demand.
Okay, the highly flexible expansion really allows customers to choose the required component freely. After all this discussion, can we just take a look at PUZZLE-IN004?
Okay, let's take a look at the front I/O panel. One the far right is LCN. It can display the product name and the IP of name ports. The status LEDs allow users to easier get the operating status of the systems, and then the console, so developers can use the system right after they get it. The USB ports are for the connecting device. Next, the expansion slot. An IEI network module we just introduced can be installed to optimize the expansion. Then for the real I/O, the PUZZLE-IN004 uses 300 watts redundant power. It is a kind of power supply used for safety monitoring. It is composed of two redundant power supplies. When the power supply fails, the other power supply immediately takes over its work. The system will use two power supplies as measure: the power switch and the PCIe slot. And the knockout antenna provides great flexibility for user. For the internal component, it can support 8 DIMMs here. There are 2 M.2 expansion slots inside, and 1 PCIe medium expansion with SIM card slots here. It's also equipped with 2.5-inch SSD base to support SATA 3. That's all.
We have talked a lot about the PUZZLE-IN004, but don't forget the PUZZLE-IN004 has 1.8 times higher computing performance and 2.9 times faster network speed and 29% higher L3 data transmission and more flexible expansion options. It is the best choice for your network equipment. Thanks to Finney for the introduction today. Very detailed. If you like our video, please like and share this video. If you want to know more about the PUZZLE-IN004, please scan the QR code on the right. The most important things, don't forget the IEI premiere every Tuesday. Hope I can see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.